why this light won't stay the way I want it. There. Funny, funny Banshee, funny. Okay, looks like smooth sailing today. Tommy's brother Otto Robert Story is going to go to Rite Aid to get his single shot. That's too bright. And for some reason, there's a piece of smudge. Either it's on the lens of this, or it's on the lens of the camera itself. Try it both ways. Yeah, maybe. Let's see. Well, I don't know. I don't know why it's like that. Maybe it's just the way the lighting is. Well, anyway. Mixed up. Mixed up more. So it mixed up. And it's mixed up still. And I just go like this. And it's solved. I'm going to do it this way. Oh, wait a minute. Oh boy, now I gotta think. It's mixed up more, mixed up. Oh, that's really mixed up there. Not sure where it's located. Maybe it's this. Oh boy, I'm not sure which way to go. Maybe it's this, I don't know. No, that's not it. It's still mixed up. I didn't pay attention where I was locating it. That's not it either. got to be one of these patterns. See, if you lose track where you're at, and then it's really mixed, and unless you figure out where you went wrong, and then it's back to solving it quick again. Let me see if it's this one. No, that don't seem to be it either. I don't think. No, that's not going to work either. I guess I'll just solve it. That goes there. That goes there, that goes there. Well, kind of goes there. Maybe it needs to go a little further. This goes here. It's like it's there, but not there. That goes there. But it seems like there's something before that. It's like it's solved, but it's not solved. I'm just going to solve it, because I'll make it be the white for the top. Maybe it'll come into play. That's right. Let's see. Nope. That's right. These two gotta switch. Let's try this again. Okay, I know where I'm at. Blue, green, yellow, white. Now, hopefully I don't mess up. Bingo. 20 moves away, 5 moves away, 3, 2, 1. There we go. That's the slow-mo song. Oh yeah. Let's try this.
Tommy?
Yeah.
Who's Tommy? Oh, Rudy's going today, so I'm leaving him, picking up.
Alright.
I'll be back whenever. I've got the phone with me in case, and I can call Billy if I have a problem.
Yeah.
Sure, yeah. I got everything I need. Oh dear.
I didn't do it this time, Bill.
Well, yeah, that would help, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Huh?
One would be
I do it
all
this time.
about
I
it.
know, I didn't even think of that.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
I think I did, I'm not even paying attention. I thought,
So now you admit you did it.
not all the other times, because I come back from church and it's like that. In the kitchen, when I get up in the morning, it's wide open, and I take a picture or video of it, but nobody claims we got a
Yeah,
Casper the Friendly Ghost.
But you admit that you did this.
Yeah, because I was trying to get light in with the camera, but other times I didn't have the camera to get the light in.
Billy, that's not the point.
Oh.
And I got you on a camera. The window was open.
But I
and I-
got me on camera saying that the other times I didn't have that
But that's not
situation.
the point, Billy.
And the fan fell down on its own, and it's never done it before. That's spooky.
But that's not the point.
Flashlights flick on and off. But
See,
Andy said it's a short in the
I
battery.
can throw this out of the case. You're not a reliable source.
Yeah.
As the judge would say,
Oh.
it was open here, and sometimes you...
And the knob from the gas stove popped up and flew close to me. And the Chuck E. Cheese flashlights flicked on and off.
If I was
And I said, do it again. And it did it again. And I got a cold chill.
Billy, if I was the judge,
Yeah.
and you said this in court,
Yeah.
you have to plead insanity.
Oh, man.
But see, this is not going to fly in court.
It's like those worker bees. You know that screw in there? I saw it fit in that small hole. And I said, I saw that trick.
But Billy,
I wish I had the
if
camera
I
rolling.
go to court, if I go to real court,
Yeah.
and I said, well, the chair just moved out by itself. And the curtain just did that by itself. They'll put me in a straitjacket. So insanity say you're losing it. You have to play.
Somehow someone's making me lose it.
Like I see TV shows before that they had to plead this insanity case. So the judge has to put you in a straitjacket. You see TV shows
Yeah.
when the judge and a person says, well, judge, but the baby carriage just walked out and the street was honking his horn.
Mm-hmm. And then the ceiling fan's on. And I didn't turn it on. I even made sure before I left church to double check.
If I told Pastor Brown,
And the TV comes on. Sometimes when you walk in, the TV comes on. Or my computer comes on. You got too much electricity.
just like on I Love Lucy,
Uh-huh.
when Fred said of a bent golf club,
Uh-huh.
and then Ricky said, what happened to my golf club? Well, Rick, a tree just jumped out in front of me. Now, if I go to Pastor Brown, and I told Pastor Brown,
They do have walking trees, you know.
I know, that's not the point.
Yeah. Yeah, I know.
If I went to Pastor Brown, I said, Pastor Brown, a stop sign just walked out in front of me and said, praise the Lord. And he just walked out. I went to the store and got a big gulp. Do you think he's going to believe me, or he's going to think I'm cuckoo?
Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Bob says, get proof in the pudding, Bill. I tend to do that on video camera. But well, anyway, you get the idea. Same bad time, same bad channel. Whoa, it almost broke. I done forgot. See, I done messed up because I done forgot what I'm doing. What was I doing? Maybe this is, oh, I know. Maybe this is it. Maybe. Yeah, that's it. Stephen Rubik's toss-up solving, revolving hand solve idea.